Hi Ray,
Halo,
can you hear me well?
ya,
Okay, so where were you? I thought you were home, actually. Are you just
I
going out
I was
somewhere?
outside actually.
From 8 a.m.?
No, from 10. I was eating, tapi jauh. Abis itu macet tiba-tiba.
Oh, so you were having a breakfast outside.
Ya,
Oh, okay. Okay, then. So, are you ready to continue our
ya,
lessons for today?
oke.
Okay, as usual, our traditions. So, before we actually start with the new lessons, can you tell me what were you learned from the last subject?
So yesterday we learned about conditional statements.
And what was it?
What?
What is it? Conditional statement that you learned.
Conditional statement it is for example, the user enters a preference, maybe lollipops, and then it will give two recommendations, which maybe is cakes and candy. So if you enter this, you can get recommendations of this. And
And
then
then,
there's a true or false condition.
and another name for that logical data type is
Boolean.
good. Okay. And do you still remember about compound logical operators?
Hmm. And oh
There's
yeah, it's logical and logical or, and then there's else and if.
no, actually, that's not compound. Else and if is actually a conditional statement operators. Okay,
Oh,
so a little bit different, but yeah, okay, that's good. Okay. Can you tell me more about how if and else work?
okay. So um Um, oh,
Maybe
oke.
just yeah,
Jadi
maybe
kalau melakukan
mhm.
sesuatu, aku lupa.
It's okay. Take your time.
Kalau kalau if itu jika menulis bla bla bla, aku lupa.
Nggak apa-apa. Ya, jadi kalau boleh ingetin lagi, jadi if else itu satu kesatuan ya, jika maka, ya kan? Nah,
Ya.
harus ada syaratnya, baru bisa dilakukan si actionnya, si komennya, ya kan? Nah, misalkan contoh paling gampang gini aja, jika Ryan ngantuk, actionnya tidur. Kalau tidak, makan. Gitu, ya kan? Itu paling simpel tuh, ya kan? Kalau kita bisa
Oh,
bayangin. Jadi, pokok tanya, kalau Ryan sekarang lagi senang, action apa yang dilakuin? Tidur atau makan?
makanlah.
Nah, oke. Kalau Ryan sedih,
Tidur.
eh, kan tadi syaratnya jika Ryan sama dengan ngantuk, tidur. Kalau tidak, kalau makan. Nah, sekarang kalau Ryan sedih, berarti
Eh,
tidur atau makan yang dilakuin?
tidur.
Makan dong. Kan jika Ryan sama dengan ngantuk, baru tidur. Selain daripada itu, makan. Berarti
Oh, oke, oke, ngerti, ngerti.
ngerti kan? Berarti tidur itu hanya dilakukan kalau Ryan sama dengan ngantuk, betul nggak?
Betul.
Selain daripada itu, semua akan masuk ke else, yaitu si makan itu sendiri. Paham?
Ya, paham.
Oke, kalau gitu kita akan coba lanjutkan hari ini ya. Masih soal conditional statement, tapi kita akan belajar soal nested-nya kali ini. Maksudnya soal nested structure. Masih ingat soal nested structure yang
Next.
menggabungin dua fungsi jadi satu baris kode?
Iya,
Nah, kurang lebih kita akan melakukan desain yang sama ke conditional statement. We're gonna learn about nested conditional statement. Okay, are you ready?
Okay.
Okay, good. Okay, I will try to share screen. Okay, do you see my screen right here?
Yeah.
Okay, Module 2, Lesson 2. Is it about nested conditional statement? Okay, let's see.
Mm.
Okay, let's see some examples. Okay, let's say that we have a case right here. Okay, we have a case that we have to make a program that asking the customer for a product category and preferences. Okay, and after processing the answers, okay, the program will print the recommended product brand based on your recommendations. You got it until here about the question?
Yeah.
Nah, jadi di sini pasti ada beberapa kategori dan referensi ya, tergantung dari customer-nya. Tergantung dari jawabannya apa. Dia mau produk apa dan mau referensinya apa. Nah, jadi udah pasti kita harus siapin dua pertanyaan, yaitu si kategorinya dan pertanyaan wish-nya pakai input. Sampai sini paham?
Paham.
Nah, sekarang kita akan lihat bagaimana sih cara untuk codingnya, sisanya. Nah, karena kita ada beberapa syarat, jadi ada banyak yang harus kita coding. Pertama, kalau kategorinya dari produk, dan artinya kalau dan artinya apa? Dua-duanya harus terpenuhi, betul nggak? Ya kan?
Betul.
Nah, dan wish-nya itu farm, baru kita bisa rekomendasikan produk eco farm. Sampai sini paham?
Paham.
Tapi kalau dia dairy product dan wish-nya itu tidak sama dengan, ini artinya apa? Tidak sama dengan, betul nggak?
Betul.
Nah, tidak sama dengan farm, artinya yang lain, kita akan kasih kata rekomendasinya My Village, brandnya. Sekarang sama halnya untuk bagian roti atau bread. If category equals bread and wish equals whole grain, you will recommend Uncle Nick's Bakery. The other side, if the wish didn't say whole grain, you will recommend Bread Factory number 21. You got it until here?
Iya.
Ada yang mau tanya dulu nggak sampai sini? Sebelum kita lanjut.
Eh, enggak sih.
Jelas dan terlihat bisa dimengerti, betul nggak?
Iya.
Nah, tapi seperti biasa, kalau kita belajar soal nested design, itu berarti ada yang kepanjangan dan harus kita pendekin supaya lebih efisien, betul nggak?
Eh,
Nah, caranya gimana sih? Caranya paling gampang adalah cari aja yang sama. Kalau kita lihat sini kan, ini sebenarnya if pertama sama if kedua ini sama, betul nggak?
Sama.
Sama-sama ada dari produk, betul nggak?
Iya, betul.
Dan yang ketiga dan yang keempat sama-sama ada bread.
Buat.
Ya, cuman yang membedakan adalah yang satu mah farm, yang satu tidak farm. Yang satu whole grain, yang satu tidak whole grain, betul nggak?
Betul.
Nah, kita bisa menggunakan nested design di sini untuk mengefisienkannya. Caranya gimana? Caranya seperti ini. Nah, sudah terlihat?
Ya.
Jadi, kalau kita lihat di sini, nah ada tingkatannya, seperti ada tingkatan if else di sini. Jadi kalau misalkan Ryan lihat di sini, if pertama adalah untuk dari produk, oke?
Hmm.
Nah, tapi di bawah if atau di dalam if itu ada if lagi. Sampai sini paham nggak?
Paham.
Nah, di dalam if ada if lagi. Nah, if yang di dalamnya itu buat apa? Untuk menentukan dia pilihannya farm atau bukan. Kalau farm tadi kita kasih eco farm, kalau bukan farm, my village. Jadi ada tingkatan di dalamnya gitu. Sampai sini paham?
Paham.
Hal yang sama terjadi untuk yang bread. Nah, tapi di dalamnya nanti kita kasih if else lagi, yaitu untuk whole grain-nya dan untuk yang tidak whole grain. Sampai sini, paham?
Paham.
Sedikit kompleks, tapi ada pertanyaan sejauh ini?
Enggak sih.
Gimana? Susah dimengerti atau masih oke, paham?
Medium, medium.
Medium.
Tengah-tengah.
Oke. Nah, tapi jelas ya, secara tingkatan bisa dibaca kan?
Bisa.
Oke, sip. We're gonna go to the next slide. Do you need to review a little bit about this?
No, I still remember.
Okay, how about compound logical expression?
No, I still remember.
Okay, how about conditional statement if else?
No.
Okay, now let's see more about nested conditional statement then, okay?
Okay.
Um, yeah, nesting design is going to be like this. So if you see, there is another if inside the if. Okay, this is very common in nesting design. And you see in here, jadi selain if aja, bisa juga ada if else, tapi di dalamnya ada if else lagi. Jadi ini tuh di bagian luarnya, gitu ya. Nah, tapi di dalamnya tuh ada if else lagi juga bisa, gitu. Nah, ada if else lagi. Itu paham?
Paham.
Oke. Nah, ini biasanya untuk kasus yang lebih kompleks lagi biasanya, gitu. Oke, kita lanjut.
Okay.
Contoh, kita lihat kasus berikutnya ya. Write a program that offers ready-to-eat dishes for meals. Okay. Okay, this is the first if. Okay, the first condition. If the customer enter breakfast, then recommend porridge. Okay. For other meals, if the customer want eat a hearty meal, recommend pilaf. In other cases, recommend mashed potatoes. You get it?
Yeah, I get it.
So how to program this? As usual, prepare the question first. Okay.
Okay.
After prepare the question, prepare the lower to make sure there is no errors in typing the answer. And then after that, you can go to the conditional statement. So if the meal equals breakfast, you will recommend, what is it?
Porridge.
Porridge. And the otherwise, now this is a little bit tricky. The otherwise is actually pretty much. So you have to prepare another question again because you see that there is multiple choices, right? Outside the breakfast. So you have to copy paste the question from here. You got it?
Yeah.
And then also copy paste the lower. And after that, you can make another if else. So if the wish is hearty meal, you will recommend
Pilaf.
pilaf. Otherwise, other than breakfast, other than hearty meal, you will recommend mashed potatoes. Okay?
Okay.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Is there any questions?
Not.
Okay, then. If there is no questions, I think let's stop share and let's try to practice. Okay, I will try to share a screen and please help me to actually fix the bug in the program. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, hold on a second. Okay. Do you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay. In here, we have to fix the bug in the program. Okay. So you have to actually make the program, make it like this. Would you like a promotional item? Yes. Enter a category sweets and gummy fruit for 200 coins. Okay. Let's learn about the requirement in here. The program recommends products in the promotion, if the buyer wants a recommendation, the program asking. Okay, so the program should be asking for the category. If the category is sweet, you have to print this. You got it?
Yeah.
For any other category, please print this. You got it?
Yeah.
If the buyer doesn't want any product in a promotion, the program politely says goodbye and then let us know if you change your mind. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay, now after you already get it about the requirements, let's see the code itself. Do you see any mistake in here?
I think before the second else, there's supposed to be something else. Or after.
Can
Maybe
you tell
after.
me? Can you tell me which line is that? The four, the five, the six?
Maybe 7 was supposed to be if category equals what was the question again?
Yeah. Can you tell me which line that has a mistake? Is it the
Se-
seven? Is it the six?
7. 7 should be the 8th line, I think.
Seven should be the eighth line. Do you
Yeah,
think that?
because there's supposed to be something else there.
Hmm. Okay. And is there anything else?
The 9th line should be the 10th line.
So sorry. Can you repeat?
The 10th line should be the 9th line.
Okay. I think you missed something that crucial actually. So the crucial thing in here is actually in this one. So if you remember in category number four, in the fourth line in here, you see that if you want to make an operator for equal, you have to using double equal, right?
Oh, yeah.
But this is just one, so you have to fix the mistake. Okay,
Um,
add another equals. Okay, so it's already correct. But remember, if you want to using if else, please using it with colon. Don't forget about the colon. Okay,
okay.
same thing in here. You forget the colon, right? Okay. You got
Okay.
it? So after this, let's see some mistake. Mistake number third is actually after else, please don't forget the colon also. The fourth mistake also in here. And if you remember, the else in here, okay, I will try annotate. This else is actually belongs to this if, right? Because this is
Yeah,
a package. So I think there is something wrong with the position because the else should be on here,
the
right?
start.
Yeah. So you have to fix the position because if you continue like this, it will become an error. You got it?
Okay.
Okay, let's fix that. Just like this. And don't forget about the print because it's part of the else. Okay?
Okay.
So there it is. This is actually how to fix it. You got it?
Oh, okay.
Is there any questions or do you still confused about?
No.
Okay, let's try to run it then, okay?
Okay.
So what is it? Let's oh sorry. Oh, okay. Let's fix it again. I think mistake. Okay, else in here with the colon, print, okay, category double equal, don't forget the colon, okay, and then in here don't forget the colon also. Okay. So in here, would you like promotional item? Yes. Enter a category suite. Okay, let's try to run. Yes, suite. There you go. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay, I think I will stop share. And this time, I will give you time to download the files. I will give you the link. And please don't forget to download it, okay?
Okay.
Do you see on the chat Zoom?
Yeah.
Okay, you can download it. And don't forget to log in and share screen. We're gonna do some practice on the platform, okay?
Oh, never mind. I can share screen. This one,
Good?
right?
Yep. As usual, if you have any confusion, just ask me right away, okay?
Okay.
Okay, good luck. Good. Now, the same questions. Okay, how about this? A little bit tricky. I think that's the slides from yesterday, right?
Yeah, I was looking for the logical type.
Oh, okay.
Help me out on this one. Mhm.
Do you confused about this?
Yeah.
Okay, then that's it. So the input category in straight from the garden section, okay. If category equals greens, okay, max price. I think if you remember, max price is the number, integers, right? So I think you have to add integer function before input, right? As usual.
like this.
Okay. Yep. And then if max price, I think it should be bigger than equal, right? Not less than equal. Uh, you have to stop the program. Okay. Bigger than equal. Okay, and then print. Okay, good. Else print. Yep, everything is good. Can you do it?
Help me out.
Is it actually hard for you?
Yeah.
Okay. So, can you tell me what are you confused about in here?
Where do I put the else? I forgot.
What do you, where you forgot to? Oh, okay, I think there is a mistake that I see. So, if you remember, okay, if you want to using if, don't forget to put the quotation before yes.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, and then don't forget to using the call.
Then
Yeah.
semicolon.
Okay, after the colon, now you see the print should be go deeper. Can you tap it? Yeah, good. Okay, after this, okay, you have to using else, right?
Yeah,
And I think you've confused how to actually put it, the else, right?
yeah,
So you see, you still actually try to coding about this if, right?
yeah,
So if you want to put the else, please put it in the same position as this if, which is gonna be here, right?
yeah.
Okay, there you go. Don't forget the colon.
Else
Okay, after the colon, print. What is it?
print.
I think this one, right?
Yeah.
Okay, after that, I think you just have to close it with another else. Yeah, that's it. Good. You already got it. Nice job. Okay, you can continue.
Oh.
Yeah, this is the hardest one, right from the scratch.
Help me out.
Really?
Yeah.
Can you tell me what is your problem right now?
I don't know how to compare, how to find the largest of the three numbers.
I think, uh, okay. Oh, I think you forget about this. I think you cannot contain print function inside a variable, right?
Yeah.
Then why do you using
Oh,
a equals print?
I meant input, not print.
Yeah, you can actually using input but not print, okay?
I
So
forgot.
I think yeah, the best thing that you can actually do with this one is actually just do the same thing three times because there is three products and three prices, right? Just do like this, but make it three times first. And don't forget the integer. I think you forget that price is a number, right? Should be using integer. Change the name into product two, product three.
Okay, after that,
Okay, after that, now you can actually continue. with, hold on a second, if,
If
and then, yeah, let's see some requirements. Launch DPT has launched 1 equals 3 promotion, right? And the buyer can purchase any 3 goods and pay for the most expensive of them and receive the other as a gift. So I just want to ask you, how many times did they pay?
one time.
One time. And is it just the most expensive one, right?
Yeah.
And you can receive the other product as a gift, right?
Yeah.
So how to actually making the system like this? So first thing first, I think you can actually using if, and then you can using if A, because A is the price one, right? Price for
Yeah.
product one. If A, please erase this. Just if A first. If A. Okay, let's make some the first condition. If A bigger than equal B, right? So do that. If
Like
A,
here or at this?
yes, like this, bigger than equal, right? No, no,
Like
no.
here.
Don't don't using equal. Just if A bigger than equal. By the way, yeah. B.
B.
Okay, and then colon. Don't forget if you are using if colon. Okay, and then enter. Okay, now if again if A bigger than C, right? Right now we're talking about the A first. Bigger than C. Colon, and then you can enter. No, not if. There is just 3 product, right? And you already uh, coding all of them, so you have to using print right now. Print. Okay, this statement. The total for 3 items, comma, after quotation, comma, uh, A, because we're talking about A, right? Okay. And then else right now. Else,
Here or
no,
that?
same position as if, because you still continue if, right? Else, okay. Print,
Hmm.
don't forget the colon after else. Print, same, same sentence, I think. Promotion, total. No, C, right?
Or
Not B.
C.
Yeah, C, because it's actually talking about C, the else, right? Now, after else, you can go to the next line and please continue this if after if else in here, right? The else, okay, the else is actually enter, not print, not print, sorry, not print. You have to using another if, okay, if, and then now we're talking about B bigger than equal. What is it? C, right? Okay, colon. Okay, and then enter the next line. Print. Yeah, promotion, blah blah blah. B. Okay, good. And else? No, the else should be on here. Else, print, same sentence. Okay, C, because this is the last one. That's how you do it. You got it?
Yeah.
Is it hard?
Uh, yeah, kind of hard.
Not hard. Okay, before we go through here, can you stop the share screen? Because I
Okay.
want to continue a little bit about our discussion. Okay,
Okay.
I will I will share screen again. Yeah, let's first. So yeah, I think it's hard depends on the question, right? Sometimes can be hard, sometimes can be easy, right?
Yeah.
It's okay, but it's actually just the matter of practice. So if you practice a lot, and then you can actually get used to it. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's a little bit talking about this conditional statement with multiple branches. So in here, we will try to learn about another function of if else. There is a brother that kind of lost in this discussion. Okay, this is called L if. So what is L if? L if is actually just an abbreviation of else if, which is if you actually let's say that for example you have four choices. Okay, let's say that you have four choices. The first one is actually using if, right? And the others in the middle, the second choices, the third choice is actually using if, and the last one is for else. You got it?
Yeah.
So this is actually for a conditional statement that has a multiple branches on the task. So you have to using if in the middle to fill in because the if is actually for the first one and the else is actually for the last one. You got it?
Yeah.
If actually just two choices, not multiple, just using if else as usual. But if it's actually more than two, start using if. You got it?
I got it.
Okay, let's see some example. Write a program that requests input of the amount, okay, due and the current time. If goods are bought from 10 a.m. to 12 a.m., the amount is reduced two times. From 8 p.m. to 10 p.m., reduce it four times. You got it?
Yeah.
So, how to actually code like something like this? First thing first, as usual, always remember to actually return the question, okay?
Okay.
And then after the question, you can start with the if. If time is actually more than 10, right?
Yeah.
And less than 12. 10 a.m. until 12 a.m., the total is going to be reduced two times, right?
Yeah.
Now, after that, please continue with if because you have 8 p.m. until 10 p.m., right? So more than 20. Why 20? Because this is actually 24-hour system, okay?
I have a question.
Mm-hmm.
Why is it written Elif?
Sorry?
Elif. Look. After the first print, it's written Elif.
Yeah, because we're gonna continue to actually coding this second condition, 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. Because we already finished with the first one, right? It's 10 a.m. until 12 a.m. Reduce the times, and there is actually 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. Reduce it four times, right?
No, I'm
And this is
asking, is Elif else and if combined?
oh, um, from the name, yes. The name if is actually comes from else if abbreviation, but the meaning is actually not really that simple. The meaning is actually just to code if you have multiple branches of tasks. You get it?
Eh, yeah.
So this is if you see here, the first if is actually for the first condition, right? And if is actually used to code second condition. You get it?
Uh,
And the else is actually for the rest. That's why you have to use the if because there is three conditions in here: 10 a.m. to 12 a.m., 8 p.m. 10 p.m., and then the rest. You got it?
Yeah.
Is there any questions under here?
No.
You already got it?
Yeah.
Okay, then. So I will clear all drawings and let's stop here and continue. Okay?
Okay.
Can you share screen again?
Okay.
Good. Okay. Another right from the scratch.
Is it the same as the first? The A one.
Uh, Almost the same.
Okay.
Almost. If I can recommend, I think it's good if you actually using total calculation first after that, after the questions, because you want to actually checking the total also, right? From the question.
Okay.
Total, yeah, equals A plus B plus C.
See.
Okay. Now you can actually using if. But remember, this is a little bit different from the from the previous one.
You.
This is gonna make your mind burn.
Yeah, this is making me explode. Oh, I need help. I need help.
Yeah, let's try to read the questions. I think we can get how to actually coding if we understand the question. Let's see. Three requirements. If at checkout, three goods are entered in ascending order of price. Okay, ascending. Okay, ascending it means ke atas ya kan?
Yeah, nice.
Naik gitu. Then the promotion is displayed and the amount to be paid is divided in half. See, divided in.
Half.
Nah, jadi caranya gimana? Ya udah, berarti caranya kan kita tadi harus bilang kalau dia sistemnya naik ke atas, berarti si harganya dibagi jadi dua, dibagi setengah ya kan?
Hmm.
Nah, berarti if pertama itu tinggal ngikutin aja dari si requirement ini. Berarti kalau urutannya menaik, berarti udah pasti yang A lebih kecil dibanding yang B, dan yang B akan lebih kecil dibanding yang
Kayak.
C. Betul. Nah, caranya gimana? Caranya betul seperti yang kamu tulis, tapi hampir betul, tapi sedikit salah. Ini harusnya bukan lebih besar dong. Harusnya lebih.
Iya, salah simbol.
Nah, kamu udah ngerti. Kebalik. B-nya sama C-nya harus. Oh, sorry, sorry, sorry. Udah, tadi. Kok tadi nge-lag. Oke. Em, Kasih colon. Jangan lupa. Kasih colon, iya. Nah, baru kamu kasih total. Total equals total Total equals total, ya. Total lagi, ya dibagi 2. Slash 2. Gitu caranya. Print, di bawahnya print,
Eh,
promotion.
di tab or enggak?
Nggak usah, kan masih sama, sebaris. Promotion. Enggak, bukan to pay. Ini, promotion kan. Nah, hal yang sama untuk yang berikutnya. Nggak usah pakai to pay. Promotion aja cukup. Sampai sini paham? Nah,
Ya,
kita lihat yang berikutnya sekarang. Kondisi berikutnya adalah if at checkout, three goods are entered in descending. Descending berarti menurun, ya kan?
ya,
Nah, itu juga akan ada promosi. Tapi nanti harga totalnya dibagi jadi 3, ya kan?
ya.
Nah, berarti kalau menurun berarti udah pasti kalau kayak gini berarti harga A lebih besar dibanding harga B
Harga B.
dan harga B akan lebih besar dibanding harga.
Oke.
Nah, coba dibikin lagi.
Oke.
Tapi itu ya sejajar sama if yang di atasnya. Soalnya ini beda kasus, bukan bagian. Nah, oke, good. Jangan lupa di colon, di colon, di colon. Ini. Total ya, benar, total. Oke, oke, after promotion. Nah, sekarang baru terakhir print terakhir di sini. Print,
House.
nggak usah else, print aja, so kan udah beres. To pay, koma, after quotation,
Oh,
total.
oh.
Oke,
Dah.
udah, coba recheck. Oke, sip. Oke, Ryan, can you stop the share screen?
Eh.
Our time is almost end. What you already learned so far from today's class?
Uh, okay. So today we learn about nested conditional statement.
And what is it?
Nested conditional statement is uh, oh so for example, the first question is what kind of products do you want? Dairy, okay. And then the second question is what kind of products? And if you answer bread, it's going to recommend a bakery. For example, the recommendation is Uncle Next. But if you don't want dairy products, but you still want bread, you'll get bread factory.
Okay, good. So I think you still remember about what we already learned. That's a good thing, okay? So I think let's try to actually continue our lesson in the next meeting, okay?
Ya,
So thank you for today and I will see you again. Bye-bye, Ryan.
dadah.